Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video on the E36 track car build project. Got my E36 M3 subframe behind me here, and today we're going to be removing the stock subframe bushings because I have something better on the way. I ordered a set of RevShift 95A durometer polyurethane bushings for the subframe, and also ordered the same bushings for the differential. I'm just getting rid of a lot of these old, crusty rubber bushings that are in there. And to do this, we have a couple of options. If you happen to have some kind of hydraulic press that can deal with differential bushings in the odd shape of a subframe, plan A. Plan B is you can either cut them out, which is a pain in the ass, or you can use my friend the MAP gas torch. MAP gas torch makes easy work of this. You could use propane as well, but propane will take a little bit longer. And one thing I cannot emphasize enough when burning anything is, make sure you have the proper protection. Don't breathe in any fumes. Wear gloves. Wear safety glasses. All that stuff. But I'm just going to quickly show you how to get rid of these bushings, and let's get started. So like I said, we're going to be heating up the bushing. It could catch on fire. That's fine. Just make sure you have some kind of metal tray underneath to catch any pieces that are falling off. What you want to do is heat the outside of where the bushing is pressed into, and you'll start to see some rubber start to ooze out of it. That's basically the bond of the bushing being broken, and that's what you want to see. See it starting to ooze a little bit. That's what you want to see. And it's on fire, which is going to happen. Sizzling now. Let's see if we can get it going with the hammer. Just be careful when you're doing this, of course. That'll put it out. smallest hammer I have in my home toolbox, the classic claw hammer. Yes. Yep, gotta reheat it. And so it's easy as that, you know. I get to use my two favorite tools in the box, fire and the BFH. And as you can see, it would take what could potentially be several hours worth of cursing and swearing and sawing and God knows what else, and turns it into 10 minutes of, dare I say, fun. It's kind of fun. I mean, not trying to say I'm a pyro, but I mean, fire's fun every once in a while. So really at this point, just going to be waiting on the new bushings to show up. I'm going to clean up the subframe, give it a nice quick coat of paint, and that'll pretty much be that. But, you know, like I said, quick video just showing you how to go ahead and remove those factory rubber bushings out of a subframe. You know, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is below. And any questions, comments, or concerns dealing with this stuff right here, go ahead and drop it in the comment box below. And hey, see you for the next one. Later.